When freezing temperatures are expected, there are some precautions that must be done so that residual drilling fluid does not freeze and cause equipment damage. I'm going to show you how to antifreeze a mix system to help avoid these issues. Please refer to the operator's manual for specific information. The first step in the antifreeze process is to drain the residual drilling fluids from the mix system by opening all the drain valves. Then, using fresh water, flush and drain the system of any remaining drilling fluids. If there is not adequate flow out of the drain valves, repeat the flushing process until clean water flows from the valves. Make sure the pump, venturi, and all hoses, including the strainer screen, are cleaned and drained. Next, close all the drain valves and cap all hoses that were open to drain the system and fill the antifreeze tank with an adequate amount of Navigator freeze guard to circulate through the mix system. Make sure the concentration level will meet the protection level needed for the expected temperatures. Before starting the engine, open the antifreeze supply valve to supply fluid to the pump. Start the engine and run antifreeze until it is thoroughly circulated through the entire system. Be sure to use the selector valve to circulate antifreeze through both the roll jet system and Venturi system. This process will be slightly different on other models. When the antifreeze is circulated through the entire system, shut off the engine. Now you know the steps for antifreezing a mix system the next time freezing temperatures are expected. Thanks for watching.